Hello and welcome everyone. So here in this video, I'm bringing you a very beautiful thing that me and my friend are bringing to you, especially in this Diwali season. What better than a prosperity kit? So here it is. I'll show you the unboxing of our prosperity kit. If you see, this is how it looks in a very beautiful box, which will be delivered to you. And I'll tell you what all do we have in this and how to use all of that. So if you open the kit, it's full of beautiful things, some things which are just full of magic, a lot of energy. If you see, it's a very beautiful, pretty kit. In this camera, I can show you in this way only, and I guess it's good enough. And I'll show you product by product what all we have. So the first thing, which is the highlight for this Diwali season, is that all of us burn a jot, a lamp, or something in our homes. So we have brought in a very beautiful oil bottle, completely handmade with herbs, with oils, with so many mantras and prayers and so much of divine work that has been put into this one bottle. It is a 200 ml oil bottle that you can use to light your lamps. And here comes a very beautiful, these are handmade diyas. You can use it like a jot and burning, in mitti ka diya. These are earthen lamps. So it's also very auspicious because it connects you to the element of earth. And if you understand, element of earth is associated with money, abundance, prosperity, wholeness, and completeness. So what better than this, right? So I'll show you what all other things we have, but I'll also tell you what to do with these things, right? So for just suggesting here, if this is your diya, so what you just have to do is you'll open this bottle, and I'll give you some additional tips to help you really embrace prosperity, welcome prosperity in your life. Also bring, so this oil has been made with the intentions of arogyam, of dhan, and of samriddhi. So money, prosperity, good health, and also family, peace, and harmony. So this oil has been really, it has been worked upon very well. So with your very positive intentions, with a lot of positive intentions in your heart, you will open the oil, you will put it in the diya, and not only on Diwali only, otherwise as well. Keep on burning this diya. So, I have added the oil in this. And one extra tip, if you're buying our kit, if you're receiving, or if you have already received the kit, so take any rui ki batti, the cotton wick, add a pinch of haldi, turmeric. If you need, add a drop of ghee on it, and just roll the cotton wick in between your palms, and the wick will become yellow. Use, if it's not compulsory, but if you're going to use turmeric coated cotton wicks, the goddess or the divine mother or the energy of abundance, it becomes more, we become more receptive to attract and embrace it in our lives. So again, you know how to light a lamp or a jot. So you'll just soak it and you will put it like this. It's a very beautiful hexagonal shape, which reminds me of so many sacred geometry shapes. So you put it like this, okay? And I'm going to teach you all a mantra, okay? Very, very beautiful. You can do it. It's not only for Diwali only. Anytime you light this lamp or any other lamp, so you can write this mantra. I will repeat it twice, okay? Once I'll repeat it very slowly so that you can write, and then next I'll tell you how to chant it, okay? So you can write, the mantra goes like Shubham Karoti Kalyanam Arogyam Dhan Sampada Shatru Buddhi Vinashayam Deepah Jyotir Namostute. Next line, like the next verse. Deepah Jyoti Parabrahma Deepah Jyotir Janardhana Deepo Hartu Me Papam Deepah Jyotir Namostute. Okay, you can repeat the video maybe if you want to write it again. So I'll quickly tell you the meaning of this mantra as well. So the first line, that Shubham Karoti Kalyanam Arogyam Dhana Sampada. So this is an invocation. This is an invocation to the light. That as we light this lamp, may this bring the Shubhata, the auspiciousness. May it bring health. May it bring money. May it bring prosperity. May it bring overall growth. Shatru Buddhi Vinashaya. So who's the Shatru here? It's not always enemies. Definitely it will help you keep your enemies at bay. But the pessimistic mind, or the chatter of the mind, which is always telling you, you can't do this won't happen, this, that, the continuous chatter, which becomes our Shatru. So Shatru Buddhi Vinashaya, Deepa Jyotir Namostute, that we bow down to to the light of the lamp. Okay, so it's a very beautiful Deepak mantra. So the next is Shubham Karoti Kalyanam Arogyam Dhana Sampada Shatru Buddhi Vinashaya Deepah Jyotir Namostute. Deepah Jyoti Para Brahma Deepah Jyotir Janardhana. So Brahma is the creator. So all that creating force, we invite that energy. And Deepah Jyotir Janardhana. So who's Janardhana? It's Vishnu. So the one who creates, who preserves, who nourishes. Palanhar is the word. So हमारा पालन पोषण हो, उस शक्ति का आवाहन हम करते हैं. So Deepo Haratu me papam. So whatever ill deeds I have done, whatever the papam I have done, or whatever things consciously or unconsciously I have done, may the light of the lamp burn that away, take that away. And I invite and I bow down to the light of the lamp, and I invite the light of knowledge. So when you light the diya, the ignorance, you represent something, that the ignorance will go away. So when the light comes in, when light of knowledge comes in, so many things get healed automatically. Right? So now I've explained you in detail. Let's light the lamp with the prayer. So I'll just show it to you. And while lighting, you will chant the mantra. I'll chant it. I'll tell you. You can chant it in your own tone and modality. Shubham karoti kalyanam arogyam dhana sampada shatru buddhi vinashaya Deepa Jyotir Namostute. Deepa Jyotir Parabrahma. Deepa Jyotir Janardhana. Deepo Haratu Me Papam. Deepa Jyotir Namostute. So you can say this mantra once, or you can say it thrice as you wish, and then your Lakshmi Pujan, even if you're a God believer, so then your Bhagwan's Pujan. Otherwise, just lighting the lamp every day in your house is going to bring in prosperity, auspiciousness, money, and all the good health in your life. Okay, so just with this mantra, you light it every day, and remember to close your bottles so that they don't spill. Okay, and it's a very beautiful fragrance. If you see, these are conditioned with certain specific oils that will enhance your prosperity. So let's go to the next thing. Okay, so we have these amazing, so if you know something which is a golden product which everyone wants to buy from me, and which everyone has seen like so much of benefit, like abundance of benefits, I would say. So that comes in this very beautiful potli, which is my money drawing oil. It's a liquid luck. So you open it, what it is. If your dropper is new, you will just have to pull the dropper little up. Okay, that's just the packaging thing. So press it. And this time we are bringing this to you extra money drawing oil. It is more in quantity. So usually we give 10 ml of money drawing oil. This is 15 ml of money drawing oil, double, more than what we are giving. So you have more of money oil. And this time the dropper will help you use it very beautifully in a very versatile manner. So you anoint your hands every day with the money oil. One drop is enough, or maybe 2 drops. And just with the intention that a lot of money is coming to me, a lot of prosperity is coming to me. You rub it, you smell it, you see the energy coming in your body, in your life, or sometimes you can just put a small drop on your third eye, a small drop. That money is coming to me. Listen, कहते हैं मेरा भाग्य चमक रहा है. Little bit behind your ear, okay? Just little bit behind your ears. Some people also like to put it on wrist, so you can put it on wrist as well. Just intend that I'm a money magnet, and money is coming to me, my business is growing. The other few methods, put it on your wallet. So for example, this is your wallet, okay? So you put a drop every day and you just rub it with the intention that my wallet is always full of money and cash, right? And on small pieces of paper, you can write your wish that I'm earning 1 lakh rupees per month, I'm earning 2 lakh rupees per month, whatever you understand fits right for you. Put the money all on four corners and pray over that paper and burn it. Okay. So you can do many creative methods, many creative methods. And the other thing that we have in the kit is some form of candle. I am showing you a taper candle so that it's easy for me to depict. So you will receive a very good, very beautiful candle in your kit. So you take the candle, and even after the candle that gets over in the kit, you can buy more candles. You know that we make the candles available. So if you want, you can carve your wish if the candle needs to be carved upon. Otherwise, just hold the candle, pray over it. What is your wish related to money? What is the wish related to your business or your job or your financial aspect? You put it, you speak that positively, you affirm it 3 5 times, then put the money drawing oil. Very powerful method to use money drawing oil. Very powerful method to manifest finances, unlimited flow of finances, more clients, more business, more success. You put it on the top like this and you pull the oil towards you. So if you see, I am here, so I'm putting it towards me. कि पैसा मेरी तरफ आ रहा है. I am attracting money. You put whatever that I am earning 1 lakh rupees, I'm earning 2 lakh rupees, whatever is your wish, or my business is growing, I'm attracting more financial avenues in my life, or whatever is your wish. Be very clear, okay? And you put it. This is called as anointing or rubbing the oil, and then you can burn your candles. You can burn your candles directly, but we have something special for you. So adding more power, adding more layer, and so much more magic into your work, we are bringing another very beautifully made, very beautifully enchanted, energized, so much of work done upon something which is called as, in a very beautiful magical bottle, money drawing powder. This is brilliant, made up of so many herbs. Everything, we have made these things from our hand. Everything has our essence, the magic from our energies put into everything. So you take this powder and you can dress the candle. Okay. So I'll just show you how we dress. You just put it little bit. Thoda thoda apna intention डालते हो that money is coming to me, or you can take it in your hand and then put it as well. So I have a practice, hence I am putting it directly. But if you are new to this work, you can just take it in your hand or in a spoon or whatever, and sprinkle this money drawing powder after applying money drawing oil on a green or a golden candle. Okay, or on both, like one green and one golden. So this is called as dressing the candle. Can you see? So it's dressed from all directions. It adds in the power. And then you burn it. Okay, and burn the candles fully. Be sure that wherever you keep candles or your diya, you are aware that the area is safe and there is no fire hazard as such. Just keep your eye whenever you light fire. Other methods of using this powerful, just whenever you receive it, just smell it. Just the smell will make you feel so happy, elated, and rich. So you can take a little bit, like a pinch of this powder. Wish, make your wish that whatever that money is coming, or my house is blessed with prosperity, or our business is growing. Maybe at your business place, if you own a business, you can do it there every day. Do it every day. Do not wait कि कितने दिन करें, कब करें. You can start it maybe on a Wednesday, Thursday, or a Friday, and then do it every day. Or maybe start on a full moon or a new moon, and then just do it every day. Okay? And then you make your wish 3 to 5 times over it. And like this, for example, this is my shop, or this is my business, or this is my house. With positive intentions, I will blow it in the air and it's gone. So that you have sprinkled some magic dust in the air. Okay, and it's not dust, it's just a lot of magic miracle. The other method is you take a pinch of it, put it on the four corners of your bed, wherever you sleep, put it in the four corners. Jara sa ek chutki leke, put it on the four corners of your bed. Every Friday or every full moon, take a pinch of it and put it on the corners. अपने घरों, अपने हर कमरे के चार चार कॉर्नर्स में, या हर फुल मून पे आप इसको पूरे घर में भी छिड़क सकते हो, so that the energy of the house becomes more vibrant. One more tip, अपने घर की, अपनी दुकान की दहलीज पे खड़े होके, standing at the entrance, you do the same thing, this blowing thing. You can take it in your right hand as well if you want. make your wish, or just intend that, a lot of prosperity, a lot of money comes. All of us in the family are earning well. And then from your dehlies, from your entrance, you blow it inside towards the house. So you allow more money miracles to happen. These are very rare things which otherwise you have to wait for me to prepare, and a lot of other things, and sometimes you get in different qualities, but everything is packed so nicely, everything is added very well. It's time you make the best use of these money miracles. We have more in our kit. Yes, we know that we are giving you a lot of things in our kit. We want you to feel abundant. What better than receiving one of the most beautiful crystals which has high money vibration? Pyrite. See, we have chosen these crystals are kept under moonlight, blessed and energized, and you can energize them. You must be knowing, and if you do not, I have many resources available here and there, and so does the internet, upon how to charge these crystals. You keep this whenever you do the candle ritual, keep the pyrite on the plate nearby. Whenever you're doing the diya, you can keep it near diya. Whenever you're doing Lakshmi Puja, this represents the wealth of Lakshmi, the wealth of Kubera. You keep it there. Keep it in your pocket. If you carry a purse, you keep it there, or you put it in your galla. Okay. So the more you keep the pyrites around, the more it brings in the energy. So that will energize it as well. And just similarly, you have to put intentions in everything. Put your intentions into the pyrite as well and use it. Okay. So I hope you're looking forward to see all of these things. We have three more things very beautifully used in Lakshmi Pujan. So guess till the time I'm opening. It's a mixture, it's a potli mein. We are giving you 11 pieces in abundance of Gomati Chakra. I'll show you one piece each. I hope that is fine with all of you. So Gomati Chakra, which is very auspicious, very moneylicious, representative of Narmada and the Devi Shakti, favorite of Vishnu and Lakshmi. This Gomati Chakra, 11 pieces of this. Kamal Gatta, lotus seed. Kamal is the seed of Lakshmi, Kamal Gatta. Anointed with elaichi, elaichi oils and a lot of other oils that I make. And Pili Kauri, which is considered to be very lucky, very auspicious, and it sends an invitation to Lakshmi. So on the day of puja, if you're doing the Diwali puja, if you're buying it around Diwali, then you can keep all of these things in a nice kanch ka or a mitti ka bowl, okay, and offer it to the goddess, offer it to the divine mother or to whosoever you pray to. And this doesn't need you to pray to Lakshmi only, just any divine being, the divine mother, the divine goddess. And you offer it to them, and you bless them that may they invite more good luck and blessings in your life. After the puja, either you can put it in a potli like this and keep it in your locker, or I'm going to give you extra tips. So you can wrap 11 Gomati Chakra after puja, after energization, in a red cloth. Wrap it nicely, make a potli, put it in your galla. You can similarly wrap these Pili Kaudis in a separate red cloth, you know, and put it in your either galla or in your purse or maybe in your almirah. You can keep these Lakshmi beads, these lotus beads in your temple, maybe in a small katori or maybe in a dabbi. You can keep these all three after praying over them, after intending that may they open new pathways, may they open new business, may they open your roads and attract good luck. And just like बहुत जोर जोर की करने की जरूरत नहीं, just listen to the rattling sound, and this is an invitation. So this is an invitation, like you see to the Akasha, you connect with the elements, and I'm inviting wealth, I'm inviting money, I'm inviting more joy and prosperity in my life. And this is how just for 30 seconds, you can say your prayers, affirmations, mantras, and rattle it like this. Gently. Do not be harsh while rattling. So very, very gently. And maybe once fortnightly or once monthly, you can just add money oil in this. Okay. So, and these are very auspicious ways, and there are so many other ways in the Vedic culture as well to use these things. And these are available to you in the kit as well. So you have everything that is required for a puja, right? We are providing you with everything that will bring you so much of happiness, fulfillment, and peace. And even so, we have curated the box in a way that, keeping in mind that it doesn't add to your garbage, but it's a beautiful box that can be reused, utilized in whatever way. We have made sure that we do not put any branding on the box so that you can use it in whatever beautiful ways in your life, even as a money box or as whatever you want to keep, right? And from our team, from, we are really wishing that may you all experience bountifuls of money, abundance of joy, abundance of wealth, a life full of prosperity, and a life full of divine grace in your lives. And for this, may this kit be of great addition, of great value, and of great spiritual, financial, physical, mental, emotional nourishment for each one of you. Thank you so much for listening to this video and understanding how to use all these products. And we are really looking forward to listen to your great feedbacks, because we know these things have great divine miracles in them, stored and packed for you. Looking forward to listen to all of you and to see all the happy things that you're manifesting, that you're creating in your life. Thank you so much. I'm Ujjwal Batra. Shanti.